Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule, stop in and see what it is I'm up to. I am out here at this little park, a couple blocks from my home. It's raining again. I was fortunate enough to find this place open and nobody's here at the moment. I'm hoping that it doesn't echo too bad underneath. But anyway, I did a pan in another video, and I'll link that down below. But anyway, what are we here for today? Oh, how about a everyday carry, what's in your pockets type thing. I watch a channel, M.O.D. One of his favorite segments, I mean, he's got a lot of good stuff going on, but one of his favorite segments was an E.D.C. everyday carry that he would show 3 or 4 people's everyday carry, what was in their pockets. And he stopped doing that for a while. Now he's brought it back. He's actually got it on its own page. So I submitted a basic everyday carry the other day, and I haven't done one here for a while. So I want to go ahead and do that. Now my EDC changes depending on what I'm doing and whatnot. So today I'm going to show you basically what's in my pockets and my small carry purse. Start out, I carry this. It fits this big, phone camera thingy. It has a knife attached to it because I don't wear a belt. I have suspenders, so this actually gets it, carries it nicely. I also have an inhaler. I have COPD and CHF. Ring, 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 ring. Echo chamber. Oh God. Sometimes when it gets super humid, I need to take a couple of puffs of the albuterol. Luckily, I haven't used it a whole lot. So now let's see, what else do I have? Get you down here. Oh, there's a couple crumpled dollar bills. There's a wallet that I made. It's supposed to be a minimal wallet, but I ended up carrying so many cards, it's not really all that minimal any longer. I carry several knives, and they're cheapies. This one's from Amazon. It's, I think it's called a gentleman's folder. I like the looks of it. It stays fairly sharp. And it was under 10 bucks, so I can abuse it all I want. Not worry about it. This one is another cheapie from Walmart. This is under $5. Again, I can use this as, it's a cheapie knife. This one doesn't hold an edge quite as well, but it will hold an edge. And it comes in handy opening packages and whatnot. In my other pocket, there's a flash. I think this is an Uncle Henry peanut. Not 100% sure, and I can't read it. There is a copper wrapped crystal that I made, and then I made this little pouch to carry a mini Bic. So that goes in my one pocket. And then these are my keys. I have a Mobius ring, a small can opener, and this can be a Kubotan, it can be a stick for when you're you know, you need it to whatever, prying or making a knot. On my keys themselves, I have a mini pry bar thing. I don't remember who this is. New Light something, Night Light, Night Eyes. There is a small key tag maker's gonna make. My keys. This is a nano light from one of my subscribers. It's rather bright. It comes in handy quite a bit. And then in this little pouch is a small screwdriver set. I made the handle for it with JB Weld and a bottle cap, and it does what it needs to do. Four screwdriver bits. I also have a couple of aspirin in there. So that's that. This is an old over-the-shoulder bag, chest carry type. And I got this at the flea market. It was, I think, $6. It's canvas. It's lined. We'll start up here at the top. And let's see. There's a small knife. There is a purple elastic bandage because I have a problem twisting my ankles. And there is a all aluminum space pen type pen. Get that back in there like that. Okay. Now, of course, there's the knife is attached to a carbiner. It just makes it easy to have another carbiner handy. Down in this pocket, I have a mini Bic, a couple of razor blades, and a spoon. That's about all that's going to fit in that little pocket. And of course now it's not going to go back in. There we go. All right, now we'll move over here. And in here I have, this is a multiple bit screwdriver. Small screwdriver. There's a thing of bug spray. This isn't my favorite, but it works nice in here. I have a Sharpie, earbuds, a short charging cord, Mrs. Dash hot pepper mix, a small notebook, a small chisel, I forget what I put in here. Aspirin. And I use these to make as a stand for my phone and whatnot. Let's see, in the bigger one, a bandana, hand cleaner, two more. This is just a general blend. And this is a hot blend. It's also wrapped in glow-in-the-dark tape. A coin purse. There's a couple of dollars worth of change in there. A bottle opener ring that my brother gave me. I actually have several of these. I'm thinking about giving them away. There's one of the other ones. And here is a SPF 40 or SPF 50 sunblock. Not that I need it with all the rain we've been having. And a stick-on Velcro type pouch. So that's that bag, or that one. Now, there's another pouch. Big old side pouch. And it's big enough to carry a small automatic if you so desire. In it I have a battery with some paracord. There is a multi-tool. I've actually used this one quite a bit. I was surprised. I hadn't used multi-tools in quite a while. That one's actually come in handy quite a bit. Here's another small hank of cord. Again, this comes in handy quite a bit, as does this little piece right here when I'm trying to attach things to the top of the truck. And then this is just a small general first aid kit. And it has antibiotics and stuff for if you got stomach problems, some aspirins, Excedrin, some non-aspirin, some gauze pads, some alcohol pads. So this is what I generally carry. It's, let's face it, it's a purse. It's a man purse, a merce, whatever. Keeps stuff out of my pockets. So. Anyway, let me know what you think, folks. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around on your social media, that would be fantastic. If you'd like to check me out on Facebook, I'll have a link in the description box, wherever that is on your device of choice. Rain's really starting to come down now. If you want to send me something that'll make me cry, make me sweat other than this temperature out here, a snail mail is in the description box along with a challenge. Be vigilant, people. Breast cancer, cancer in general, is it's insidious. It doesn't care who you are, what gender you are, how old you are, how young you are, what your financial status is. If something doesn't feel right, go talk to a doctor. I know how hard that is, but it beats looking at the wrong side of the grass, right? Yeah, I think so. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook, let them know you think about them, let them know you love them. We're not promised tomorrow, people. You never know when you won't get another chance. Until I see y'all again, I hope you have a fandoculous day. Slunchy, y'all. Bye-bye.